Hello everyone, this is Paukshte Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Today I'm going to talk to you about us, about women. I have recently come across many articles and videos about how women older than 50 or 60 feel themselves. The topic is not new for my channel, and I want to share with you my thoughts on this topic. Surely you have noticed that I'm not discussing the theme of age on my channel. I don't pay attention to who is 50 and who is 30. Because the design lessons, garden lessons, pattern making lessons, technologies, they're suitable for any age. This is a school of sewing, designing, pattern making. However, people often seek for our advice on what to wear at a given age. This is what I want to talk to you about today. I have recently turned 60 years old. I don't often talk about this because my age is on its own and my clothes are on their own. However, by my example, I want to show everyone that at this age, one can live an active life. You can travel based on your budget. You do not necessarily have to go abroad. If your budget is small, you can go to the countryside or even just go to a theater. Be sure to go out. At this age, you should take care of yourself. Wear beautiful and high-quality things. Therefore, answering the question of what to wear at my age, I sell well-tailored clothes of high-quality fabrics. What does it mean? No cheap viscose hanging like jelly. Avoid cheap similarity of knitwear, which hangs ugly over the body. I recommend you wearing cotton. This is what I am wearing now. It hides the figure flaws. There is also a piece of advice for 25 years old. Avoid thin knitted fabric. Choose t-shirts and dresses from cotton knitwear, which is more strong. It keeps the shape and does not hang down on you. The cheap knitwear looks just awfully and often stretches in both directions. This is something that you should not wear at any age. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, it doesn't matter. Imagine you put on a blouse and it stretches both lengthwise and crosswise. Would you look good? You wouldn't. It is better to wear things in which you feel good, well-tailored, high quality. The most important thing, it concerns any age, is to be active. It doesn't matter how old you are, be active. Avoid sedentary lifestyle. In this case, you will feel comfortable and you will forget about your age. Very often I meet people who tell me that they want to come back to their 20s. And then I think of the times when I was 20. Student, always hungry, in lack of money. No, I don't want this time to come back. I am feeling good now. Each person is a builder of his or her own destiny. We need to do the best we can for ourselves. No one else will come and do anything for us. I want us to feel good and to look good. Let's stop talking about age. The most important thing is for us to be different and beautiful. And positive. I believe that each of us needs a skirt that fits well. It doesn't matter how old you are. A skirt should be made of the high-quality fabric. If you can't afford expensive wool, then buy, for example, crepe. The most important thing is that a skirt should fit you well. When you go shopping, pay attention to the quality of clothes. Do not buy shapeless t-shirts and blouses. I want us to be different and beautiful. So we should wear high-quality clothes that fit as well. I also want to add that we, women, bear a huge responsibility. It is us who create the mood for ourselves, our spouses, children, partners, colleagues, by our state of mind and our appearance. It doesn't depend on age. You can look like an old woman at 20 or 30, and you can be active and look young at 60. It depends on you. We are the ones who create the mood for ourselves. Find time for yourself. Take care of yourself. Your clothes, your face, your skin, your house. There is no need to listen to endless lectures for elderly. I can't stand them. Instead of listening to them, I'd better work hard, start new projects, and show by my example that even being 60, you can be active and be useful to society. I want our world to become better. This will happen only when each of us will be better. It will not happen by itself. Nothing can happen itself to make the world better. Of course, we cannot influence the political situation, for example. But we can cook a delicious dinner, sew a beautiful dress or blouse, create a good mood for yourself and your family. Ladies, I want us all to be active at any age. I want us to stop dividing ourselves into different categories. Fat or slim, young or old. I want us just to be women, regardless of age and figure. I want us to be different and beautiful. This is what I'm here for. That's all for today. My name is Paukshte Irina. Buy my courses, subscribe to this channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and the bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.